This is my gaming channel. In just 6 months, I grew from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. It took long hours, hard work, and careful planning to achieve these results. But now that I have achieved them, I want to share all my tips and tricks with you guys, so that hopefully you can replicate the same results, maybe in an even faster time than I could. My name is Calvin, and this is how to actually start and grow a YouTube channel in 2025. Before even creating my channel, I carefully planned out what my channel and content would be. This consisted of a few things. The first thing was my niche and my target audience. I decided on a gaming niche as it was easy to get into and I actually enjoyed gaming. But to stand out from the crowd, I had to niche down even further. That meant focusing on one game until I could grow a decent following. So I chose Mountain Blade 2 Bannerlord. It's not really a well-known game, but using vidIQ, I could see how much it was being searched for and how many people were making content on it. So now I had my niche, but who was my target audience? Well, I didn't want to become another one of those Let's Play channels because it's hard to stand out and I'm not really good at talking on the go. So instead, I chose to make tutorial videos. They were easy to script and actually provided value to the viewer, which is one of the most important things to do with your content, by the way. After I had my niche and my target audience, it was time to start generating some video ideas. As a new channel, your best bet is to create videos with a searchable title. As you have no social proof, it's easier to target an audience who want to solve a problem. So again, you can use vidIQ to see what people are searching for the most. Just think of a problem they might have that is relevant to your content and type it in the keyword research tool, and it will tell you how many people are searching for it. For my gaming channel, the first thing I thought of was how to make money in the game, because who doesn't need money, right? So I came up with a strong video idea and a title: how you can make millions in Bannerlord. Perfect. And as you can see, in just 3 days, the algorithm picked it up and it got 1,600 views. Today, it's sitting at 20,000 views. And it also still gets views today, even after being uploaded in August 2023. But without a good idea, title and thumbnail, no one's going to click on your video. So you need to have a good idea and make a clickable title and thumbnail before you do anything else. To make thumbnails, I use the free app on my phone called Adobe Express. A good thumbnail should be intriguing, make the viewer curious, and be easy to look at. This is the first thumbnail I made for the first video, compared to a recent one. The point is, the more you make, the better you will get. Once you have your idea, title and thumbnail, you can start to script your video. The first 15 seconds of the video are the most crucial. You want to immediately pay off the promise the title and thumbnail made. You can do this by teasing an interesting point in the video at the start, or by creating a hook that will hook the viewer into watching the entire video. This will keep the viewer from immediately clicking off your video and help your retention stay high. Do not clickbait your video. It just doesn't work anymore. After your intro, you then want to fill the content with essential information. Don't try and fill the video out with nonsense. Otherwise, the viewer's just going to click off. You always want to be providing some value. In the middle of your video, you should ask the audience to subscribe. It's not begging, it's just a reminder that the button is there. It's there, by the way. This is called a CTA, which stands for Call to Action. Only ask the audience to do something after providing some sort of value. This gives a better chance of them actually doing what you ask them to do. And use your manners. Please and thank you can go a long way. Don't use too many call to actions in one video. I'd suggest using one in the middle to subscribe and one at the end of the video to watch another one of your videos. Speaking of the end, the outro is one of the most underrated parts of your script. A good outro can keep your attention from dipping even further. Make sure you're not letting your audience know that you're about to end the video. Make it short and snappy. I like to use my call to action at the end of the video to ask them to watch another video. The best way to do this is to choose a related video and mix it in at the end with your script. So for example, I could end this video by saying, but if you're struggling to come up with a niche for your YouTube channel and need a full in-depth video on all the different niches you could choose, then watch this video here. Then I would use an end screen element to put my niches video at the end of this video. Doing this with every one of your videos creates watch sessions. This is where a viewer binge watches your content almost like a series on Netflix. Just keep sending them down different rabbit holes, and before you know it, they've watched 10 of your 5-minute videos, creating a 50-minute watch time for your channel. So after you've scripted your video, you want to film it or get the clips you need. Grab a free video editor like CapCut and put it all together. You don't need to do any fancy editing. As long as your video provides value and has demand, it will do fine. Just make sure you improve one thing every time you make a video. It could be the title, it could be the thumbnail, it could be the script, you name it. Improve one thing every time you make a video, and eventually you'll have nothing left to improve. Upload it to YouTube, add a description, and you're done. Stay consistent and you'll see growth. I try to batch my videos and then time their release every week, so I'm always one video ahead. Most of all, just have fun and start. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you give that like and subscribe button a cheeky little tickle, and I'll catch you in the next video.